Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist. This is a pretty long, tall kitty, sitting really tall. So I'm just getting the shapes in. And what I want to capture in this is that tall sit. And so far, I think I don't have Kitty quite tall enough, so I'm going to have to stretch Kitty out a bit. This is the stage for corrections. Spot for the eyes and the muzzle. There, we'll stretch Kitty out to down there. That's better. Just that tiny little extra bit of difference makes a big difference. Gotta move the tail down too. So when I keep going around and back over the same lines, it's just because I'm finding my way. And that's what works for me. And you gotta find what works for you. Take what you learn from me and make it your own. And add your own stuff too. It's all about learning your own style. Discovering your own style. Allowing it to evolve. Because I don't believe you can ever say, okay, now I've found my style. It's something that's always evolving. Just as you're always growing as a person. And art is a really good way for personal growth, that's for sure. You learn a lot about yourself as well as your art. Tweak those little facial features. And I'd love to learn what you want to learn about cat art. And I'll do my best to get it on there if it's within my realm. So if you got an idea for a video, put it in the comments and put video idea in capital letters so I can find it easy. Or you can just tell me about yourself or your cat. I love to hear that too. I just love to get comments from you, and it helps build this amazing community of crazy cat artists. And a subscribe is really appreciated too. You can hit that little bell, and that way you'll know when I got a new video on there. I just kind of like to get the toe beans in just quickly and not worry about exactly what I see, but just the suggestion of the toe lines, I guess is what I'm saying. I want to maintain that quick expressionistic gesture style. I find that's where I can capture the most life in my drawings. And if I was worried about this looking exactly like the cat I'm drawing, I would spend more time tweaking. But I just like to let my cats become what they are. It's an interpretation. And what I find when I draw my own cats, and actually when I draw any cats, they actually end up looking like the cats I have at the time. I guess because you're just so used to their faces and their bodies and stuff. It's different for everyone. We'll get those whiskers on there. Thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you next time.